morning class. Welcome in Sanskar Science Academy online classes. In last class we discussed about types of plastic. यानी हमने प्लास्टिक के टाइप्स की स्टडी की थी. Then after chemical composition of plastic. यानी प्लास्टिक का chemical composition क्या है? Especially I told you plastics are of three types: leucoplast, chromoplast and chloroplast. So today our point is what is the main function of a plastic. Plastic के main function क्या है? According to different types of plastic, the main functions of plastics are: number one. So today's point is functions of plastic. Number one, storage of food. First function is storage of food, यानी food का क्या करना, store करना, especially in the form of protein, lipid and carbohydrate. So first function of plastic is storage of food in the many form like protein, carbohydrate and lipid. Second function of plastic, what is second function of plastic? It helps into pollination, or just I can say insect pollination. Insect pollination means due to presence of chromoplast. नाम सुना है ना आपने chromoplast का? तो due to presence of chromoplast, plant has many attractive colors, especially red, yellow, and this different type of color attract the insect, so it helps into insect pollination. Third, it helps into photosynthesis. स्पेशली ये फोटोसिंथेसिस में भी क्या करता है, हेल्प करता है. तो इट हेल्प्स इनटू फोटोसिंथेसिस ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट, बिकॉज क्लोरोप्लास्ट प्रोवाइड द ग्रीन कलर ऑफ लीव्स, यानी जो ग्रीन कलर जो लीव्स का होता है वो किसके कारण होता है, ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट. एंड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस अकर्स और कंप्लीट. फोर्थ, it is a special point. It helps into photo respiration. So what is photo respiration? Especially what is respiration? Intake of oxygen को intake करना and release of CO2 is known as respiration process. Especially in respiration, food जो होता है, food का क्या होता है बेटा, ऑक्सीडेशन होता है. So especially in respiration, food oxidize and produce energy. उसमें क्या होता है, फूड का ऑक्सीडेशन होने से क्या होती है, एनर्जी क्या होती है, प्रोड्यूस होती है, और उस एनर्जी को हम लोग डिफरेंट फंक्शन में काम में लेते हैं. बट स्पेशली इन फोटो रेस्पिरेशन, फूड का ऑक्सीडेशन तो होगा बट एनर्जी प्रोवाइड नहीं होगी. सो फोटो रेस्पिरेशन इज ए डेस्ट्रॉइंग रिएक्शन इन प्लांट. ये प्लांट की कौन सी रिएक्शन है, डेस्ट्रॉइंग रिएक्शन है, हार्मफुल रिएक्शन है, और स्पेशली इट इज फाउंड इन C3 type plants. So what is C3 type plants? I discussed in next class or in future what is C3 plants. So what is the main function of plastic? Storage of food, helps in pollination, helps into photosynthesis process, and helps into photorespiration. Now plastic is complete. And second point is mitochondria. So today next cell organ is mitochondria. Simply, what is mitochondria? So just we can say it is double membranous cell organism like plastid. Plastid is double membranous cell organism and especially found in protoplasm. Especially it is found in animal cell, plant cell, but it is absent in prokaryotic cell. What is prokaryotic cell? So prokaryotic cells is an example of prokaryotic cell are like blue-green algae, bacteria. These are prokaryotic cells, or especially in prokaryotic cells, mitochondria is absent. Instead of mitochondria की जगह पर in prokaryotic cell mesosomes are present. So just I can say mesosome act as a mitochondria. Mesosome mitochondria की तरह कार्य करता है, act as a mitochondria in prokaryotic cell. So just mitochondria is present in total or all eukaryotic cell, but absence in prokaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, mesosome is present instead of mitochondria. So what is the history of mitochondria? इसकी हिस्ट्री क्या है? तो सिंपली फर्स्टली mitochondria was seen by, यानी किसने देखा था? तो mitochondria is seen by Kolliker in insects muscles. It means firstly mitochondria was seen by Kolliker in muscles of insect. यानी insect की जो muscles है उसमें, यानी insect muscle system में जैसा कि है animal cell, insect animal ही तो होता है. तो animal cell के अंदर सबसे पहले इसको डिस्कवर किसने किया? Kolliker ने इसको देखा. Then after especially one another scientist which is known as Fleming. Fleming give the word phyla for mitochondria. It means the phyla term for mitochondria was coined by Fleming. So phyla and mitochondria are similar. Then after C-Benda, C-B-E-N-D-A, C-Benda coined the term mitochondria. So what is the history of mitochondria? So firstly mitochondria was seen by Kolliker in muscles of insect. Then after Fleming coined the term phyla for mitochondria, and the term mitochondria was given by C-Benda. So here is three scientists which are related to mitochondrial history: Kolliker, then after Fleming, and then after C-Benda. So what is the structure of mitochondria? Mitochondria का structure क्या है? तो simply mitochondria is double membranous cell organ. It is outer membrane of mitochondria. Okay. Next, this is inner membrane. But in inner membrane, finger-like projection. These are finger-like projection are found. These are finger-like projection. So it is inner membrane. And between two membrane, perimitochondrial space is found. So mitochondria is double membranous cell organelles, outer membrane and inner membrane. Especially in inner membrane, finger-like projection or ingrowth are found, which are known as cristae. What is the name? Cristae. So finger-like structure is known as cristae. Central part of mitochondria, central part of mitochondria is is known as matrix. Now what is a matrix? The matrix is a homogeneous liquid-like structure, or especially in matrix, ribosomes are present, and these ribosomes are 70S type ribosomes. ये जो ribosomes होते हैं ये किस टाइप के होते हैं? 70S टाइप के ribosomes प्रेजेंट होते हैं, और especially DNA is also present in mitochondria, and DNA molecule is known as mitochondrial DNA. Next, small granules are situated on finger-like projection. These are small granules attached with cristae. These molecules are racket type. You know racket, badminton का जो racket है उस type होते हैं. Racket type, and it has base, stalk and head. It is head, stalk and base. These particles or granules are known as F1 granules. F1 granules, or just I can say oxysome. So F1 particles, F1 granules are found or situated on the cristae, and these are known as these help into respiration of food or oxidation of food. So especially it is a mitochondrial structure. I repeat, mitochondria is double membranous cell organelles, outer membrane and inner membrane. Between two membranes, a space is found which is known as perimitochondrial space. Inner membrane has many ingrowth or finger-like projection which are known as cristae, and special particles are situated or found on cristae which are known as F1 granules, and which F1 granules divided into three parts: base, stalk and head. Central part of mitochondria is known as matrix, or especially in matrix 70S types of ribosomes are found, and DNA molecules is also present, and this DNA molecule is known as mitochondrial DNA. Okay. Next, especially one thing more, mitochondria is similar to plastid in some functions. I told you next class which functions are similar between mitochondria and plastid. So it is the structure of mitochondria. Now, what is the chemical composition of mitochondria? Mitochondria में कौन-कौन से chemical compositions है? Especially one thing more, mitochondrial DNA is also known as plastidome. So here is many questions. Give the name of finger-like projection which are found in mitochondria. So your answer is cristae. Simply, which type of ribosomes are found in mitochondrial matrix? So 70S. So 70S type of ribosomes. Next, what is the mitochondrial DNA, or any name of mitochondrial DNA? So plastidome. So plastidome is a special type of DNA which is found in matrix of mitochondria. Now next point is, what is the chemical composition? यानी इसमें कौन-कौन से chemicals especially present होते हैं? तो chemical composition of mitochondria and chemical composition of mitochondria we discuss in next class. Thanks. Have a good day.